Namaskaram. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the benefits of lucid dreaming. Listening to the concept of lucid dreams, people often ask that why to have lucid dreams? What are their benefits? So here I have compiled a list of potential benefits of lucid dreaming. The first one is overcoming nightmares. Dreams provide an outlet for unlimited fantasy and pleasure. But unluckily for many people, dreams are frightening episodes of never-ending terror. Nightmares reduces the quality of life, causes less sleep, painful memories, induces fear and thus decreases self-confidence. Wish fulfillment. The second benefit. Rousseau had quoted that man is born free but everywhere he is in ties. In our real life we have so many social, physical, cultural limitations and foundations that sometimes we feel very much suffocated. Lucid dreamings can give us an outlet and opportunity to crack the bonds of reality. In lucid dream we can live by our rules. We are only restricted by our power of imagining. We can effectively recover the time from sleeping. Most of the people sleep an average of 8 hours per day. Lucid dreaming can help us to spend the time according to our wish and actually experiencing life the way we have always dreamed of. Then the third benefit is emotional benefits. Many dreamers use lucid dreaming techniques to motivate and inspire themselves. Through their dreams, like a nightmare can induce stress and give our day a bad start. A motivating and pleasing dream can keep us happy and motivated throughout the day. Then the fourth benefit is adventure and fantasy. With the tool of lucid dreaming, we can fulfill all our wild fantasies. Many lucid dreamers say that their first lucid dream was most amazing experience of their lives. In our dreamscape, we can do any adventure we wish to do without getting harmed. We can fly, have sex, do all the pleasurable things, and best thing is that there will be no social or physical consequences of our action. Ahead of entertainment, lucid dreaming is not just only the source of unending entertainment, rather it is an amazing tool which can be used for many things like recall old memories, preparing ourselves for important tasks in advance, reinforcing education or learning about anything. Rehearsal. In lucid dreaming, by forming of mental imagery, we can rehearse things for real life, as because the activity of the brain during a dreamed activity remains same during the real event also. Example, any artistic performance, public speaking, any difficult concentration or athletic competence. Then the seventh benefit is transcendence. Exalted and ecstatic states common occur in lucid dreams. Lucid dreaming may be proved as a gateway to great peace, spiritual teaching, achieving states of union with the Almighty, and understanding the purpose of life. Thus, lucid dreaming is a source of transcendent experience. Healing. Imaginary healing in dreams may improve physical and mental health. Visual imaginary healing on the body and its positive effects are well established concept. So many lucid dreamers use lucid dreamings in overcoming phobias, decreasing social and sexual anxieties, problem solving, relaxing mind, overcoming pain and fear, achieving greater self-confidence, and directing the mind and body in the dream to facilitate physical healing. Then the ninth benefit of lucid dreaming is like problem solving and creativity. During REM sleep, our brain becomes highly active and creative. There are so many memories and things in our subconscious mind. Dreams are the key to open the storehouse of our brain. using the facts and information we had forgotten, and with expanded mental capabilities, using lucid dreaming, we can solve our problems in a better way. Lucid dreams can help greatly to artists entering into the fantasy realm during lucid dreams. The artists, painter, writers can come up with their masterpiece.